Fixed pages not loading in Opera GX. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you search for the Opera GX application and confirm that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is an option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application over here and then tap on app info. Now as you do that, it will land into a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. After that, tap on the app permissions over here and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here by going to each options like this and giving that access. After giving access, you can just relaunch the application and your issue might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.